Hey, this is Michael. I haven't posted a video in a while. I've had a few things going on. Pretty much had my left leg amputated below the knee. I plan on getting some more videos posted. Just thought I would let people know what's going on. I'm probably about to do a quick roll around my 2010 Camaro, because I know you might want to see it a little bit. I'm sorry for the wind, but here's a quick shot of the engine bay. I painted the cover. Pretty much stock. It's got a drop-in K&N filter. Exhaust is all stock. The only thing that's been replaced is the mufflers with some Flowmaster Super 10s. Here's a quick view from the front. Got the little splitter on the front, the black stripe down the hood. Go around to this side. It's got the 20-inch wheels, pretty much the stock. It's got the little fake vents, blacked out. Gives it a little better look. Come around to the back. It's got this small stock spoiler painted black. Let's go with the other little black goodies on the car. There isn't a whole lot more done to it. To quick run around the back. Rolling around. But, like I said, this is just a quick look of what my 2010 Camaro looks like. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share. And subscribe if you want. Thanks.